Okay guys, today the first thing we're going to be looking at would be some special log bases, right? So let's just go across here. This is one of the exercises that I've sent previously. You notice we have different base, right? For example, this one has 7 as the base, this has 4, this has 6, this has 3, this one has 10, right? So basically you could have any base in your log. 10 million, 7, 11, 4, 3, any number you think of, you could put it there as a base in your log, right? So we're moving back now to here, right? So we have two special bases, right? And when we're using those bases, we write the log a little different. Okay, so for example, so the first one basically is 10, base 10, right? Anytime we're using base 10, now you could write it like this: log of 3 to base 10, but we have a special notation for it, and what we use is LG. So once you see LG, it is understood that the base is 10, and you can leave out the base, right? So you just put LG 3, and that'll be log of 3 to base 10. It is understood that the base is 10, right? So for example, like this one, if we have log 7 to base 10, we will simply rewrite that as LG 7, and that we would understand that as log 7 to base 10, right? This one, log 4 to base 10, we write that as LG 4. So we read this as log 4 to base 10, and that's it. It's not difficult, right? So that's the first special log we have. So once you see this LG, don't get frightened. It just means log to base 10. It's a special notation. Okay, so the second one we have now is E, right? So you know, like how we have pi, and we know that pi is 3 point something, right? Which is a constant, right? We also have this next constant, which is E, and E is 2 point something, right? So sometimes we would use it. So basically, instead of putting the 2 point something, we would put E. Just like in pi, instead of putting 3 point something, we would just put the pi. So for example, this one is log of 6 to base E. When we're using base E, just like log have a special notation, we have a special notation for E, right? So we use ln, right? ln 6. So it's ln 6. When we say ln, we understand it's log to base E. All right, so let's look at an example here. So we have log of 2 to base E. That could be written as ln 2, and we read this as ln 2. All right, so we're reading it as ln 2. This one here now, we have log of 12 to base E. We know that in any log to base E, we write as ln, which is ln 12. So this would be read as ln 12. Right? Simple so far.